This is the Frugal Gardener. Welcome back to my channel. This is the second video. I did the first one about a week ago. And what I am going through are things that I am going to plant this spring that might interest you. Um, the theme basically centers around us home gardeners who just year after year grow the same thing. Well, I'm going to change that. I'm on a homestead now. I have 4.5 acres. It's not all ready for gardening. It's actually clay soil, but I do have room to start growing some of the things that I have been wanting to grow or that I tried in the past and was unsuccessful at. In this case, this is something that I have not tried, and this is tatso mustard seeds. I have grown mustard seeds before, but this is different. The thing that attracted me to these, actually, I saw this on a cable show. Homegrown was the name of the show. Jamila Norman is the host. You should check it out if you can get it in your area. It's a really good show. And basically, what attracted me to these seeds, to this plant, is that you can plant this early. It's similar to bok choy or spinach, but the key for me is that you can harvest this in 55 days. I like to plant twice in the spring and summer. So if I can get this in the ground, I'm in zone 7A, formerly 6B. And if I can plant this in mid-spring, um, we're going into March pretty soon. So I would say mid to late April, then I can harvest this in time to plant something else. So that's that. And next is totally different. This is a bush. This is salmon berries, whereas this you will plant and obviously harvest and eat. This is something that you're going to have around for a while. People plant blueberries. People plant strawberries. Why not plant salmon berries? I saw this on one of those Alaskan survival shows, and if it can last in Alaska, then it can certainly last in 7A. The thing with this, you should know, is it's going to take a while. It's going to take a year or two before you get any harvest from this. But once it starts producing, this plant is good for 10 to 15 years. So to be on the cautionary side, I would say 8 to 10 years. So 8 to 10 years, I mean, that's huge. You don't have to come back and plant every year, and you get harvest off of this. And again, it's something different, something new, something that I have not grown before, and I'm looking forward to growing it. I'm going to give you guys more details on these items later. This is kind of an introduction in case you wanted to pick these seeds up and be ready to plant them in the spring. The third one today is hibiscus. It's a Jamaican sorrel. This is medicinal. People make tea out of it. People use it. It's a anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. It has a lot of health benefits, and it's fairly easy to grow. When you make a tea out of it, there's this bright red crimson tea that comes out of it, and you grow it in the summer, well, spring and summer. So that is my third choice. Again, I'm not going to go into a lot of detail on these. I'm just giving you options, giving you ideas, giving you something to think about, maybe research before you make your decision. But right now, these are the three that I have. So it's a total of six. And I'm going to be planting these pretty soon. And if you want to grow with me, I'll walk you through how I'm planting them, what nutrients I'm adding, when I'm watering them, and we'll go straight through to harvest. So subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get notifications when these things come up, and we can grow these and successfully harvest them. And it should be fun. It's going to be a fun summer. I'm the Frugal Gardener. As I said a minute ago, please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell. And remember, when you grow your own food, You'll always know where it comes from. Catch you guys on the next video. Make it a great day.